Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making, well, the original plan was to make a greetings card using my Musica Melodia digital set. It's a wonderful open fold card full of course, music note that looks like a piano on the outside. But as I was making, I thought this could be an amazing page for, or 3D page for your junk journals and embellishment, because you can glue this on your journal and can easily be used as a junk journal pocket as well. Anyway, keep watching guys, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I wanted to play, because I completely forgot I had it. I don't know about you guys, but you go into your craft stash and say, oh, I forgot I had this, and it's like you're shopping again. Well, I found this kit and I completely forgot to show you guys. It's called Vintage Flora. It's quite a big set. It's got 14 pages and it's basically a collage of vintage music paper with some realistic, this is real flowers scanned. So I got some flowers from the garden and literally put it through the scanner and then alter it and put it all together. So they are my flowers. So yeah, you get a piece of me with this kit. Right, so 14 pages. You've got 5 background. I haven't got all the pages because I have used some of them. So you've got some backgrounds, you got some tags. In fact, you get 5 pages with tags. So, and there could be great bases for you to play with. Oh, this is my favorite. Play with like pink, olive green and red, like burgundy red. More background, and then you've got a couple of so this is like what's the word I'm missing? This background, this geometric, damask. Is that damask? I'm sure it's damask. And then another background, so it's all mix and match. So what I've done ahead, done quite a lot of things ahead, because then I got to the point when I had to stop because I was like, oh, is this gonna work or not? Basically I've got a A4, which is international A4 here for our European sizes, which is 21 by 29.7, which I think in inches is 8 by 11, I want to say. Let me guess. I think so. Right, so what I thought, I literally scored it in half and fold it, and I cut this page from the kit that I'm going to attach here, and I'm going to do it now so it's done, because everything I'm going to do will kind of take this back card into consideration. So this kind of is a greetings card. So if you have somebody that is a musician, or I don't know, could be a folder, because you can put a signature here and this becomes a journal. But I'm going to show you in just a minute what we are going to do with it. In my family, well, little story, when I was little, I always wanted to play piano. Something that always fascinated me. However, my brain, for some reason, although I would like to believe that my brain is a creative brain, but for some reason, sorry, I need to find my rubbish bag. It's there. It's next to me now. Found the bag. Excuse me. My brain can't read music notes. I just can't. Tried and tried and tried. My granddad, which unfortunately is not longer with us, he was a musician. Two of my cousins are. One of my cousins play clarinet, and three of them actually play piano. Not on a professional level, like at home, or you know, when it's like parties and things like that. And I always I always said that my granddad gave us all the music in our gene, because I'm always fascinated by music and instruments and stuff, but I can't, fortunately, can't play with them. So put the shit inside, and I left a little border because I like a little border. So I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, you probably can see. I've drawn with my pencil because I wanted the front of this card / cover to resemble like a piano. Do you know the piano? It's got that sort of nice shape. I have drew with my pencil. Now I'm going to attempt to cut it. The secret when you cut curves is not to stop, because as soon as you stop you get that horrible corner that becomes square. I hope you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I think it worked. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah. So what you could do, you can either put, if you want this to be a greetings card, you can put a message there or a message here. For this purpose, I'm going to leave it blank because I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Okay. What I've gone ahead and done, I have cut some of the strips, which will become our, what do you call that? Buttons. Do you know when you play, oh, I don't know actually how you call them in English. You know what I mean, that thing when you play the piano. I think, should I put some glue? Let's put some glue. I was trying to figure out if it's quicker to do it with glue or double side tape, but I might as well just use some glue. So just gonna use some glue. So I cut these white pieces situation. I don't know how you call them. You guys know that English is not my first language, so you need to bear with me sometimes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to attach them, but still leave a little, oops, still leave a little border. Yeah. I might just do it off camera. Okay, so I glued the white, I'm gonna call them buttons. I don't know what they're called. Then I also cut, which is there's slightly smaller, the black button. And I put some foam pads on them. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put them in the middle, or the white one. So it's trying to imitate the piano. Don't worry too much about the top, this top bit, because I've got a plan, I think. I hope. No, I should have a plan. So I think I'm gonna do, I have no idea if there is a sequence on how this black, the black button work. I'm just literally going with the flow. I think I should have gone a bit higher, but doesn't matter. You guys probably gonna do a better job than me. Remember guys, just give you some ideas. I'm not here to teach anything to anybody, because this channel is all about having fun and try different things. I think I'm going to do, so I've got 2 more. Yeah, let's do, yeah. And I think I'm gonna leave the last one. Might do 3. Yeah, just gonna do that. Last one. Do you guys have anybody in your family that is a musician or a singer? Let me know in the comment down below. It would be nice if we can get some singer in the group here. What do you guys think? So that's the base. So the plan for this, I have this die cut here. Don't ask me where it's from because I genuinely have no idea. Sorry. So I've got, I don't know if I like it. Right, I'll tell you what is in my head. The original idea was to make it, because it's all a bit vintagey, to use this lace on top, okay, and cover these with flowers. And I die cut some leaves as well. So I've got all this die cut ahead. Kind of like that, if it makes sense, and then do some layering and put some flowers on top. But then I came across this die. I was like, oh, this is actually quite nice. So I was thinking, instead of doing the lace, to use this and put the flowers on top. In my head, I want this to be quite a soft blue, like a very pale blue, like turquoise, but unfortunately I didn't have any. So this is the lightest, like the palest color, unless I could use both. I definitely think, you see, I quite like them both. Oh, decision. Do you think that should go on top? No, because you can't see the lace. Or original plan, you just see the lace and then we put some flowers. Because I was thinking I use the flowers from the kit. Cut them and stick them. Right, I'll be right back. Okay, done. So, do you know what's funny? I was literally spending so much time deciding if the lace was going to go on top of the blue. And at the end of the day, I ended up covering it completely. I don't know what you guys can see on camera. I can definitely see in flash that there is a bit of lace underneath. But yeah, so that's the card / folio. Oops, what was in there? I think it's a bit of bubble glue. I went a bit mad with the leaves on the background, but yeah, I quite like it. You know me, more is more. Yeah, so that's the front, and then of course it opens like that. Then you got your flexibility to either put another white piece of cardstock if you want to write a message, or you can put some signature and maybe put some more music notes paper if you wanted to, and create a little journal, like music journal, or you can just put a message blank on the back. But no, I'm very pleased so how it turned out. And I literally fussy cut the flowers from the kit. So yeah, what do you guys think? I hope you like it. It's a bit unusual, but I think it works. So let me know if you make it, and I really would like to see the variation if you do make it. Guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Everything is linked down below, so you see the link of the kit and other supplies that I have used. If I remember to link them, everything is linked down below. Today, big shout out goes to the lovely Terry, and I will put Terry's comment on the screen. She said that she sent out my papers to her friend. It was very special for her. It looks like I have designed it specifically for her because she loves flowers. So thank you so much for such a heart, kind and sweet comment. It really means the world to me. Thank you. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge thumbs up. It really helps with my channel here on YouTube. I will put a couple of links here on the screen, guys, if you wish to carry on watching. One video when we made some papercraft embellishment, and the second one where we make some pocket tags embellishment. Again, couple of videos to give you some more ideas and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching once again, and enjoy the rest of your week, guys. And until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.